Welcome to my Payrib. I earned this. This is my invite link. All you need to do is to share it to your friend because this Payrib is real earning money that it will withdraw to your bank transfer, Venmo, USDT, Cash App, Flex Transfer, PayPal, Xbox, and Google Play. But right now, I can withdraw my money because it's not $100 yet. But once it's $100, I can withdraw it anytime and anywhere. Payrate is will earn money. All you need to do is take a task like this. But right now, overwhelming is completed. So I need to wait tomorrow again so to take the task and complete it. So it's every new offers coming 18 hours and 41 minutes. This is my top daily advertisement. This is real earn money. I told you, this is real earn money. This is my referral. Pending referrals is 10 and then for referrals is 7. I unlock this, but right now this is the findings. I don't know why, but for me is period is real earn money. We need to go back to dashboard. Please share it to your friend. This is my referral code so we can earn together. Okay? Okay. This is my account and then no. This is the pay rib. Yan, here. Here's my pay rib. Okay? So we need to share it to everyone so we can earn together. I sign in. Hang on. Okay. And then I will take a task. It's every 41 seconds and 26 seconds and 39 seconds, 25 seconds, 30 seconds and 29 seconds. Alright? It's easy. It's easy really. It's easy earn money. Okay? Payrib is this is the feature challenge to complete 30 steps by watching mixed advertising at websites. It's $3, so it's already complete. So right now, I'm going to do is to create a video talking like this. So I can earn $5 or $7 to 150 US dollar. It depends if you have a high subscriber person. Okay, so this is really pay rib. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.